that they meant terrorizing this community.
Don't get me.
And now, look at where we are. You jailed Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is already a celebrity in prison.
How can elected governor went to visit a convicted terrorist? You see Nnamdi Kanu, he will rot in jail.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 3rd of December 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Gist TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you can see that so many dignitaries are going to Sokoto prison to visit Nnamdi Kanu, but it is not going down well with Ikenga, Ijele, and some other people that has been fighting Nnamdi Kanu, who are against Nnamdi Kanu. You know, Ijele in this video is not happy at all. He the pala where they ask, why would Governor Alex Oti visit Nnamdi Kanu? Why are they even going there to visit? He even called Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist. He said, why are they even going there to visit Nnamdi Kanu? That Nnamdi Kanu must surely die in jail. Imagine how Ikenga hates Nnamdi Kanu.
All right, let me say this. My name is Ikenga, and I want to talk about Governor Alex Oti. You know, one thing about our people, they cry a lot and they complain too much. You see me, as an Igbo man, I've decided not to live in this kind of victim mentality trap or cage. I've decided not to live there with others because a whole lot of our people, I don't know, they complain, seeking for sympathy, they are marginalized, they are this, they are that. Nobody can marginalize me in Nigeria. I am a free-born Nigerian and I am Igbo man. Nobody can marginalize me. I just live like every other Nigerian. The things I can do, I do it. The ones I can do, I will hold on till when I can do it. Now, I want to talk about the visit of His Excellency Alex Oti of Abia State. You see, one thing about our people, they have taken it upon themselves now. It's a kind of new plan that any Igbo man that decided to speak the truth, they will target that you hate Igbo. I don't bloody care what you people talk about me. If you like, say whatever you like. If you like, call me a saboteur. I don't care. I don't say no now. But I will keep telling you people the truth. This one I cry like cry baby. You don't too much. You see this thing Alex Oti did. If he's Hausa man, or Yoruba man, or Fulani man that embark in this kind of journey or this kind of visit, hey, by now, go on social media. You will see our Igbo brothers and sisters. Oh, he's supporting terrorists. Oh, he's a terrorist supporter. Oh, he's a terrorist enabler. Oh, he's a terrorist dictator. So tell me now, is Alex Oti terrorist supporter? But if Alex Oti is Hausa man or Fulani man, oh, they are the reason Nigeria is not good. He is supporting bandits. He's this, he's that. It's it. You guys need to stop. You guys need to stop. If you know that you don't want others to do, don't do it. How can elected governor went to visit a convicted terrorist? But the victims are very much closer than where Sokoto is. Alex Oti never for one day find it important to move from Abia State to go to Osu in Imo State to visit Nnamdi Kanu's victim. When Nnamdi Kanu declared all the police and the army wanted, Alex Oti never find it important to advise Nnamdi Kanu to stop. Even till death, Alex Oti never find it important to advise Nnamdi Kanu's followers. But Alex Oti moved from Abia State to Sokoto to visit a terrorist. Who is Alex Oti? He's a man I like, but you see this very move? No. It's a no to me. Just like other politicians who are still supporting Nnamdi Kanu. You see, you people are evil. You people are evil, but you don't want somebody to say it. This is somebody that buy Nigerian army, buy Nigerian police. And all you will do is to leave all your work at Abia State and move to Sokoto to visit a terrorist, convicted terrorist. It's okay. You people should continue, but my message to our youth, if you people want this nonsense to continue, it will continue. But if you want it to stop, you people can use your power to stop it. Here is your power. All these politicians, don't do, they are building roads, they are doing what? What are they doing? Are they doing it with their own money? They are supporting your buyer. The person who is buying you is who they are supporting. And you are still saying that he's a good governor. Which good governor? Use your destiny and get them off that office. Very simple. I don't play emotional politics. I will use this, vote you out of that office. You are doing well for well. People who can't even protect their own people. People who don't even care about the victims. But they love and they like and support the oppressor. But the oppressed people, nobody cares for them. If you don't care for them, I will speak for them. He said Nnamdi Kanu, he will rot in jail.
See how Sowore responded when asked about Nnamdi Kanu. Sowore said that Nnamdi Kanu is already president there, but he knows that that's not what actually what Nnamdi Kanu wants. That what he wants is his freedom and his Biafra. But listen to Sowore as he explains or details what is going on right now for this Nnamdi Kanu court case.
What did we predict to you? That they will do that. Well, I also predicted that it will be the greatest mistake of their life. And now, the people we asked to protest to prevent Nnamdi Kanu from going to jail are all rushing to Sokoto. I want his family members to give me the right to admit people to see him, so that I can be screening them. And I'll tell you the day the judge who sentenced him is going to go to Sokoto. He's going to go beg like Fela was begged in Bama prison for doing what is wrong, if he has not done that already. But if he wants to go, tell him to contact me. I will arrange a safe passage to Sokoto. This was the worst thing they could have done to them. When they were taking him to Sokoto, they thought they would ridicule him. He would be, when he goes to Sokoto, he has turned Sokoto to another Mecca.
Yes, pilgrimage.
That's what we predicted. You know, they don't have sense because they don't have people who can reason in government. And now, look at where we are. You jail Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is already a celebrity in prison. They said he has already become the president of the prison, but I doubt that is what Nnamdi Kanu wanted. But it must have been conferred on him just by respect, you know. So very soon, you will see that they will, on their own, reverse the most fundamental mistake they ever made regarding Nnamdi Kanu. You can quote me on.
So, dear friends, if you look very well as well, you can see that Odumeje composed a song for Nnamdi Kanu. Odumeje loves Nnamdi Kanu so much. Odumeje has been speaking for the benefit of Igbos. So, you know, he's one of the pastors that has been speaking against bad governance. So many pastors don't even dare to speak, but Prophet Dr. Chukwu Emeka Odumeje no send anybody. He in the talk him own bawam as he come be, and so he in the talk him own. That is Prophet Dr. Chukwu Emeka Odumeje for you. Listen to this song, a wonderful song he composed for Nnamdi Kanu.
Chukwu ga-echekwa Bandy.
Tulu David Nnamdi Kanu Tulu Tianenu Wano Owe Diri Igbo na Hausa na Yoruba na Ma Onye ọbụla bịara ụwa nwere ibe Chukwu siri anya bịara mana ọrụ Chukwu siri gị Chukwu siri Nnamdi Kanu ya bịa tọpụta ndị mmadụ na-abụ Naịjirịa Nnamdi odogwu na ndị Igbo Biafra ibe Chukwu gwara m ka m onye ọbụla mebere ya ebele ụmụ Naịjirịa due Nnamdi Kanu na-achọ nke ya Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu maka onwe ya Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu maka onye ọbụla onye Hausa na onye Igbo na Yoruba ya ka Nnamdi Kanu chọrọ ka unu nwere onwe ya Nnamdi Kanu ọ ga-adịlị gị na mma 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 Chukwu ga-echekwaba gị ọ ga-adịlị gị na mma Chukwu dube gị cheluo ọ ga-adịlị gị
All right, dear friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to every one of you, pending your time when you come across my video. Today is the second day of December 2025, and I just kept quiet and start observing to see what is going to happen, to see what people will do over this unlawful conviction of Nnamdi Kanu, and everybody has just been quiet. People have started going to their normal businesses as usual. That is what they know Biafrans for. Weakness. They can ride on us anyhow they want. That is how Nigeria has seen us. They don't see us finish. Now, the other day I heard that Alaisoti went to Kuje or whatever. Is it the prison where Nnamdi Kanu was kept at Sokoto to go and visit him. And I asked, is this not the same people that they called when Showore wanted to do protests in order for the government to hear their voice of the injustice that has been done to Nnamdi Kanu? None of them came out. But you can see they are going to promise him, tell him, drop this agitation, you know, he's not going to favor you and all whatnot. This is what I believe that they are telling him, medicine after death. Most of you don't know how prepared we are before we came out for this struggle. Most of you don't know how tough we have become in these recent years. I just quietly sat down to see what was going to happen. And to my greatest surprise, many of us have started forgetting about Nnamdi Kanu. Some of us have even moved on. That is how you will know these dangerous people. Biakolo is no more talking. Where are the Nigerian government that were shouting, Nnamdi Kanu is the problem of Nigeria? Where are they today? They have all disappeared. Bianca that was saying that, oh, it was Simon that was the problem of making sure that
Nnamdi Kanu is not released. Where is Bianca Olowu today? She has as well disappeared. Where is Benjamin Imadibugo? Where is all of them? Where are the DOS members? Ndị efulefu ka ebe fancha niile nọcha. Fa agbacha n'ọsọ because they no get level. Where is Uchechi Kanu today? You colluded with someone, a person who has not, they don't have your interests at heart. They don't have your husband's interests at heart. Colluded with her to jail Simon Ekpa. Today, look at the result. The reality is staring on our face. We cannot do anything. We know if we do nothing. And we have proven that. Their friends have started going about their normal and lawful businesses. While our hero is in Sokoto prison. This government went as far as Kenya to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu. And they want to tell you, Biafrans, that you are not doing it. You can't do nothing. You can't do more than a dead rat. That is what Injustice on Motosho have shown us. That is what they have told us. And truth be told, it seems as if we can't do nothing. Is it not time for you people now to reflect back and join the USB so that we can quickly leave? So that we can quickly leave. Get me that file so that I can sign this thing, please. So that we can quickly leave. So all you know is intimidation, suppression, and this is what Nigeria knows how to do best. So today we have all moved on. I want you to know that our leader is illegally detained. Our leader is illegally locked up. We cannot allow this to continue to happen. We can't allow it to happen. We will fight Nigeria with everything we've got. The only solution and the only opportunity you've got today is the USB. No, the one at the end. The one at the end. And then by the one at the end. This door, the one at the end. That is the only opportunity you have. That is the only opportunity that you have today. No. Here. That is the only opportunity you have. The USB, Dr. Ngozi Orakweze, that is the only thing that you know that you have to do today. Yeah. So give me a Bible. Let me quickly sign this. That is the only government that is available for us to follow. 1 second. What time is it?
For 16,
Sorry, it's okay. Thank you. Just keep it back for me, okay? All right, thank you. That is the only government that we should follow. We should support them and do everything necessary for us to live. Because the reality is now staring at us. What are we going to do? Are we going to sit down and watch this whole evil continue? Or are we going to rise up with Biafrans to take the bull by the horn and keep moving? Because we cannot allow this to happen. Let us give them heat. Let us make the jailing of Nnamdi Kanu useless to them as Simon did it when Mazi was kidnapped. Made the kidnap of Nnamdi Kanu useless to the Nigerian government. And that is what they are trying to get back at. So we all know that this has actually been their plan.
These are the Fulani herdsmen that we are caught in this community. You know, that is why we have been saying in Igbo land, let there be vigilance. Everybody needs to support these security people. Everybody needs to turn to a security, be a security of yourself, because the days are evil these days, you know. So they are caught, and I believe they will be taken to the higher authorities to determine the next thing to do.
Let's see this car. You can see this car. Got a hair somewhere here. Look at the hair. There's the legs. Look at the bones, the jaw. Look at it. Yeah. Look at bones. Look at it. Look at the ribs there. Look at the ribs. Look at it. Look at the hair. Cage. Goro pit, where they are carrying out their evil arts. Look at it. It's between now and the woman's rock and naked. That the men terrorizing this community.
Don't get me. Carry your hand down. Carry your hand down. Just carry your hand down. Don't video only them.
Don't video. If that person for bush, you go kill that person. You see your face. See your face.
So, Biafrans, you can see this young man is complaining bitterly what is happening in Tiger Base. Tiger Base is in Imo State, Owerri precisely. Yeah, according to him, he said that the intimidation coming from those officers in Tiger Base, the way they are taking people's properties, tagging you IPOB if you did not cooperate, you know. I don't know if this is true. I believe government should look into it, because this is just an it is allegedly. So at the moment, until there is a kind of proof, then we'll actually know which one it is.
This is urgent. This is urgent. I am calling on Indigo. I am calling everybody. This is urgent. What is happening in Tiger Base in Owerri is very horrible. The Yoruba man there and his boys, when they see you, probably you carry shave or you have beards and you look good, they will arrest you. And once they arrest you, they start demanding some certain amount of money, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Once you don't have it, they will tag you IPOB. That's what is happening in Tiger Base. They will call you IPOB. They will tax a lot of things on your head. And if your people do not come within 1 day to pick you up, you are gone. Everything in your body will be harvested. I am calling on Indigo to be proactive. What that man is doing in Tiger Base, only God knows. Please share this information. Please, I am calling on Indigo to share this information. As much as they are killing innocent Christians in the north, they are burning down their churches, Tiger Base is killing youthful, vibrant Indigo. Tiger Base is not a place where your relative is supposed to stay 1 day. Tiger Base is here. The Yoruba man there is doing a lot of ritual with the young boys, killing them, harvesting their organs. The same thing is happening in Okozo Sas. The same thing will start happening in Enugu now. Tiger Base is very horrible. Please pass this information. Please. People are dying in Tiger Base in Owerri. People are dying there. The one in Owerri, the one in Amarako. That place is very horrible. People are dying. Innocent people are dying. They will call you IPOB. They will tag you IPOB to deal with you. A word is enough for a wise child. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, my Biafrans. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section and wait for the next coming video. We all love you. Bye.